Kasturi, may now you can share your screen and start the demo.
Okay, thank you. A very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Kasturi Borgohain. I welcome you all on behalf of Udaan team. Today, we will demonstrate how you can install Udaan translation tool on your desktop or laptop and use it for translation purpose. So I'll share my screen. Just let me know if it's visible. Okay. So the link for installation is already shared in your WhatsApp group if you see it. Uh, if you open your chat, you will see there are two links down below, one for Windows users and one for Ubuntu users. And you can just click on the link and go to the user guide of Udaan translation tool. Here, one thing I would like to mention that if you are using Windows in your desktop or laptop, this link will work only if you are using Windows 10 or 11. If you are using Windows below 10, then I'm afraid this link will not work. So you can just click on the link and then the link will take you to a page like this. Like this. So in the first page, you see a link. You'll see a link. So you right click on the link, click on open link. This will take you to a file in Google Drive. So here, you can see a zip file. So right click on it, go down, you see the download option. Click on that and you'll see a pop-up like this, cannot scan file for viruses. Then what you have to do is you just have to click on download anyway. So once you click on the button, the file will start downloading. Here you can see in the box corner, my file is downloading. Um, if you see at the bottom left corner saying that you cannot download this file, then try to enable your third-party cookies for Drive. To do that, you can just select the folder, click on the I symbol here, and then click on site not working. If it's coming like that, just click on site not working and then allow cookies. After that, you'll be able to download. Okay. So once you download the file, you have to go to your downloads. You see, I have downloaded the file. It's right there. As it is a zip file, so you have to extract the zip file. So to do that, you double click on the zip file, select the folder, click on extract to. Here, you can just select the folder of your choice where you want to keep your file. So if you want to keep the file in your downloads, you select downloads. If you want to keep the file in your desktop, you can just select desktop. So you can just select a folder of your choice and click on OK. Once you click on OK, the file will be extracted. I have selected download, so my file is extracted here. Sorry, I think I have selected desktop. So my file is extracted here. So Once you extract the file, you just have to open the folder, scroll down, you'll see a QPAD final application file. You double click on it, and once you double click on it, the application will be launched. Okay. If you are finding any difficulties or if any error comes like this to open the file, so we have shared two more files in the uh, guideline here. If you scroll down, you'll see. So you can just download these two softwares and install it in your device, and then you won't have any problem opening the QPAD file. Once you double click on the QPAD final file, as I showed you, as a pop-up like this will come. So what you have to do, you have to click on the check boxes here, both the check boxes, and click on allow access. Once you click on allow access, the application will start, and you'll get a pop-up menu like this, where the application will ask you to select your role. So if you are working as a translator, please select your role as corrector. And if you are working as a reviewer, please select your role as a verifier. And if you want the application to not ask you again and again every time you open the application to set your role, then please click on this box, set selected role as default, and then you can just select your role. If you are working as a translator, please select corrector. If you are working as a reviewer, please select verifier. Once you do that, the application will ask you to log in. So you'll see like this. So what you have to do is you log in using your Gmail, because in our application we have features like cloud safe, cloud sync. So it will be easier for you if you use your Gmail ID. So you can just use your Gmail ID and log in, and the application will start. Let me show you. The application will start like this. Okay. Now here you see this setting option. You click on it. Anytime you want to log out from the application, you can just click on log out. Anytime you want to reset your role, you can just reset your role here. Okay. Then if you scroll down, in your user guideline, we have shared some sample files for translated sample files. So down there you see download sample file for Gujarati. So we have shared a sample file also. So this file you have to download. So double click on it. Again, this is also a G file. So once you download it, you have to extract it just like the way I showed you. So once you download the file, you go to your files, double click on it, select the folder, click on extract to, and you just select the folder of your choice and click on OK. I have selected downloads. So my file is extracted here. Here you see. Okay. So now about the features of the application. If you want to open a file, you go to files, click on open project. Then wherever you have downloaded your file for translation, you just select the folder. Just now I have downloaded in my download folder. So I just showed you this one. So you just double click on it, go to project, open, and you'll see a pop-up like this, project opens successfully. So click OK. Okay. So here in the screen, your, if you see in the right right side of the screen, the right column, here you see the source image, which you can just zoom in and zoom out just here using the bar. In the middle column, you see the translated file. So this is a Gujarati translated sample. So you see it in Gujarati. And here in the left hand side, you see the project. So if you are working as a translator, you just click on the character output. You see all the pages are coming here like this. So one thing you have to remember that the books that are given from ACTE, so first around 20 pages, they have a common outline. So the chapters only starts around from 21 or 22 or 23. So you see here the pages, the first chapter starts from 23 page. So here you see. In the middle column, you see all these words highlighted in green color. So all these words are dictionary words. In the left hand side, if you see, there is an option, dict option. If you click on it, the words that are included in this page, highlighted in green color, whatever word is included from whichever dictionary, it's mentioned here. So you can just see here the dictionary words. Now, talking about the features, we have a feature called bold and unbold. So you can bold any word or any sentence. So you just select the word, click on bold, so the word will be bold. Click on unbold, the word will be unbold. Then we have, you can select the alignments of the sentence or word. You can just select the whole, you can just select the whole sentence. You can change its alignment here, left, middle, center, right. You can just change it according to your requirement. Also, we have highlight feature. So you can just select the whole sentence. Here, click here, font color. Select whatever color you want. For example, I select yellow. So you click on the yellow color, click on OK, and then you see the whole sentence is highlighted in yellow color. You can again undo it by just clicking on black color and then it's turned into black color. Then you can change the font properties. For that, you have to go to view, click on all font properties. You can just select your font according to your choice and select the size of it and just click OK. Here you can change the font properties. Also, if you are translating in Gujarati, make sure that your device has Gujarati keyboard downloaded in your device so that it's easy for you. Here, you can just change. You can keep your downloaded keyboards here and you can, if you are working in Gujarati, select Gujarati and you can just type. So, if you make any correction here in the middle column, the word will appear in yellow color. So, if you change anything here, after correction, you save it clicking on Control S. Please remember, once you make any changes, click on Control S to save your page. So once you save it, the word will come in highlighted in yellow color so that you know that the word, whatever you have changed. Then we have a feature of image insertion. So if you want to include an image or resize it, what you can do is you can just, if you want to include an image here, you can just click here, click on right click, go to insert image. So if you have any external images downloaded in your device, you select that folder, click on the image folder and just open. And the external image will be inserted wherever you want. Also, if you want to insert image from the source image, let me give you an example. For example, in page 25, for example, you want this image to insert in your translated uh, column. So what you have to do is click on mark region, drag your cursor and select the image, and you'll see a pop-up like this. If it's a figure, just click on figure and it's included, inserted in your translated text. Now this image is quite big in size. So what you can do is you can resize the size of the image. So what you have to do is you just select the image, double click on it, resize image, click on that. You select the height and width according to your requirement. For example, I'm keeping 150 height and 200 width, and I click on OK. Now you see the size is reduced based on my requirement. Also, you can we have a feature of you can include any tables, and for that, if you want a table here, you just click here, go to view, come down and click on table. If you want to insert a table, just click on insert table, and then a dialog box will come. You just have to write how many rows you want, how many columns you want, and click on OK. And then table will be included here, wherever you want. You can also, we have a feature of merging of table also. For that, you just have to go to view, click on table. Towards your right side, you see split cell. We have that option also. We have merging cell option also. So whatever cell you want to merge, you just have to click on that and you can merge and split cell. Again, we have a time lock feature also. So whatever amount of time you spend in one single page, you can see towards your bottom left corner, the time is also stored. So I have already mentioned that if you make any changes, if you edit or if you change any words in your translated text, to save that page, please type once you change it. For example, I'm changing this word ga. I want to remove it, so I'm removing it. Every time I make a change, please click on Control S to save the page. Okay. Okay, see this word, I have removed the ga letter. So I just have to select this one, select all, save and replace. Okay. The selected words will be saved and replaced. Confirm. Okay. Now we have another feature which is called global replace. So if you see a word which is incorrect and the word is frequently used in all the pages, so what you can do is, using this feature, you can just change the frequently incorrect words in one go. I'll show you an example. For example, here in this page, I see this word system, 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 system. And then maybe in other pages also, the same word occurs and you want to change it. So, for example, I want to remove the ma from this word. I remove the ma. Another word if I take, for example, I scroll down. I want to remove the na from this word, so I change it. And then what I have to do is to save the changes, I have to click on Control S. So once I click on Control S, the page will start saving. So you see, two words I have changed. So I have to click on the words. If you want to replace the words in all the pages, you select all, click on that. You can do a preview also. So if you click on preview, it will show you the page numbers where the word occurs. So this is before replacement, and after you replace it, how the sentence will be, it will show. So here you can just select the page numbers. Like if you want to change the word in page number 5, you just select page number 5. If you don't want to do it in page number 7, then just don't select it. Want to do in other pages, you just select it. Okay. Then you come back and save and replace and confirm. So whatever changes you are making, it will show you like this. Two words change, one instance is replaced, one file modified. Click on OK. Okay. Now we have one more feature of inserting mathematical equation as well. For that, if you want to insert an equation here, for example, okay, you go to view, you click on insert equation. It will take you to a equation page where you can just write down any equation that you want. For example, I'm writing an integration. So I'll just write here. Okay. So you want this equation, you go to file and click on insert equation. You see the equation is inserted here. Now you want to edit the equation again. The equation that you inserted, you want to edit that one. So what you have to do is you select the equation, you go to view again, then you select edit equation, and it brings you back to the equation page, and you can just edit here. So I want to write down something else. So you can just write it down like this. Okay. Again, to say insert the equation in your page, you just go to file, insert equation, and your edited equation is inserted here. Okay. Now we have another feature, which is PDF generation. So if you have edited from page 1 to page 26, for example, and you want to save it as a PDF. So what you have to do is you go to downloads, click on SPDF, and you select the number of page, whatever you want to save as PDF. So I select here from page 2 to page 20 or 5, for example. So click on OK. See, so you have to click on print button, and the file will be saved as PDF. See, printed PDF successfully. Okay. So where you can find this PDF is where you have kept your file. For example, I kept the sample project file in my downloads. So what you have to do is wherever you keep the sample project or your project, you click on that folder and you see here print. That file is the PDF that you generated just now. Okay. This one I'll show you. So this is what I have saved from page 2 to page 5. It is generated as PDF and saved in the file of your project sample. Again, we have another feature which is PDF preview. So for that you have to go to view. For example, this page number 26 that I have edited just now, I want to see how it will look if I save it as a PDF. So what I have to do is I have to go to view, scroll down. There is the option of PDF preview. So I have to click on that. And it will show me the preview of my PDF. After here you can actually zoom in, zoom out. You want to make any changes, you can just make here and click on this print option. Again, you click on the print option and you can save. For example, I want to save the file as page 26. So I click on save and the file is again saved in your project folder. So here my project folder is here. So the PDF file is page 26 is saved here. Okay. So these are all the features that are included in our application. If you have any problem, you can just ask, or if you have any doubt, you can just ask. Thank you.
Yes, madam.
So anyone can face any problem regarding installations or tools. So they can share their screen.
Ma'am, when to synchronize with a cloud?
Hello. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
मैम जो आपने लॉगिन के बारे में बताया तो लॉगिन विद गूगल हो नहीं रहा।
सर क्या आप अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकते हैं?
I will share my camera because from mobile to
Ma'am, I am sharing my screen. I am facing the same issue. Hello?
Okay, sir.
My screen is visible?
Oh, sir.
Hello?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, so when we select right now, suppose I am selecting character and it will ask me for the login. Now, if I click on login, it gives me this error.
yeah, same error is here.
I think all we
Error
are
for
getting same error.
400.
No, same error for here also.
Yes, ma'am. We
Same
are
error.
getting the same error.
Saddam, are you there?
Using Windows 7, right?
Yes,
I
sir,
am
Windows
using
7.
Windows 10.
Yeah, so actually there is problem on this Windows 7 and we are fixing it. We will share the next
Sir,
build
I-
by 1-2
Sir,
days.
I
I
am
am using
Windows 10
Windows
I am
10
using
and
Windows
also
11.
facing the same issue.
Sir, Windows 7, Windows 10, both are you getting the error.
Windows 11 में भी problem है sir.
Yeah, if someone using Windows 10 or 11 can share the screen.
Okay, let me stop sharing the
The
screen.
same error is coming, sir. In Windows 10 also, the same error is coming.
Yeah, there is issue with some old system, so we are actually fixing this problem and we will share the next build in 1 or 2 days, which will fix the problem for all the versions, like for Windows 7 as well.
Okay, good.
So, ma'am, hello.
Yes, sir.
When we are getting our file, the file which we have to translate, basically.
And what is the role for us? Means either character or
the role is correct, sir.
सर एक्चुअली वो आपको एआईसीटी से ही पूछना पड़ेगा क्योंकि एआईसीटी ही आपको ईमेल करेगी.
Lecture only. Books.
Hello.
Region. एक विजय का ईडी graphics.
AICTE से मेल का वेट करना है क्या सर?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, when to save to the cloud, actually, when we are going to do synchronization to the cloud.
How to know?
You're standing in my path. Ravi sir. Ravi sir. Ravi sir. For enter like I'm telling
Hello.
Yes sir.
Please, if possible, madam, try to unmute the other one so at least we can hear
Sir,
properly.
I muted everyone.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you very much. Madam, is it possible, like whatever I think recording is also going on? So is it possible that because all the stuff, whatever you are just showing, it may be useful while just revising the same thing. So if possible, please just try to share this recording with us through the link so
Yes,
at least
sir.
we can access. Yeah.
Yes, sir. After this meeting, we'll share on our WhatsApp group.
Yes. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you.
Yes, I'm sorry, I was disconnected due to network error. So we have to wait for that file which we have to translate. For example, my subject is biology.
Yes, sir. That will be provided from AICT itself. AICT team
Fine,
will be shared
fine,
with
fine.
you.
So we just have to be ready with installation.
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you.
मैम मैं किसी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में ऐड नहीं हूँ अभी तक, तो फिर मेरे को कैसे ये लिंक या कुछ मिलेगा?
सर मैं अभी इस मीटिंग चैट में हमारे व्हाट्सएप की जो लिंक है इनवाइट लिंक में भेज दी.
Hello. Hello.
Madam, whether these files, whatever we have to translate, will be available in the tool itself, or whether we will get it through email or by some other means?
सर अभी के लिए हमने जो हमारा यूजर गाइड है उसमें सिर्फ आपको टेस्टिंग के लिए हमने गुजराती की सैंपल फाइल ऐड की है. यूजर गाइड जो हमने आपके साथ प्रोवाइड किया है वो, और जो आपकी एक्चुअल ट्रांसलेशन फाइल है वो आपको एआईसीटी ईमेल करेगी.
ठीक है, ईमेल से आएगी. ऑल राइट, ओके फाइन.
So,
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
ग्रुप ज्वाइन करने के लिए लिंक भेजी है. जो हमारे ग्रुप में ज्वाइन नहीं है कृपया इस लिंक पे क्लिक करें और ज्वाइन करें.
Yes, if you have any query, so you can directly ask.
If any new book which AICP sends to us, how can we incorporate them in as a project here? Or you will send that way in form of project?
Kasturi, can you show it again? How can they get if they share the translated file, and how can they import in our tool? Once again, can you show that part?
Prenta, can you repeat again? Actually, your voice is breaking a little bit.
So आप फिर से एक उनको फाइल ट्रांसलेट कीजिए तो कैसे करनी है इस सेक्शन दिखाओ एक बार.
या मैम इसको क्लाउड के साथ कब सिंक्रोनाइज करना है? व्हेन टू सिंक्रोनाइज विद द क्लाउड? हेलो
सर एक्चुअली जब आप when you are done with your editing and correction, you can just synchronize with your cloud, in your cloud.
So every time it is not required to be synchronized with the cloud, just we'll have to save a certain pages and then we'll have to synchronize it.
Yes. Once you are ready, you think that your
With
file
all,
is ready.
Means with all the pages?
No, sir. Actually, you can select the pages that you want to synchronize.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. So the question
Hello.
was how to open your file. So I'll show you again. I hope my screen is visible. Okay. So what you have to do is to open a file, you have to go to File option, Open Project. As I already mentioned, the file that you'll receive will be a zip file. So once you download the zip file, you have to extract it. So the file that I extracted there in my downloads folder, this one that I extracted. So I have to double click on it and go down. Here in the down side, there is an option named project. You select that file and open. Once you click on open, the file will be open in your application and it will show as project open successfully. So you click on
Madam,
OK.
Yes, this we have referred means attended. But my question was whether we will get those books in this format only, or they will just give us images. That
Yes.
is my question.
You get in this format. As you can see,
Okay.
you'll already get a translated file.
Okay.
So the machine will translate and give you a translated file itself.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, any font we have to download it or install?
Yes, sir. Actually, if you are translating in Gujarati, for example,
Yes.
you can just download Gujarati keyboard. For that, you can just go to your devices setting.
Okay.
Setting up. Okay.
Device setting. Yes.
Yes.
So which font we have to download, ma'am?
So you just go to your setting and then there you'll see an option called time and language. You select that one. You go to language.
Time and language. Okay.
And
in
then
language.
add, you see a option preferred languages. There you'll see a option add language. So you just select on that and whatever language you are using, you just type here. For example, if you are doing in Gujarati, you just select Gujarati and the front will come and you can just click on next and download. As I already downloaded in my device, so it's showing like that. So you can just download.
Ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Hello. Ma'am,
Yes.
are there any guidelines for translating the book?
Sir, for translating guidelines that will be provided by AICT. AICT आपको provide करेगी जब आपका orientation program रहेगा तब.
Okay, so for that there will be another meeting, right?
Yes, sir. I would like to answer your question. I am the G2 coordinator, Dr. Sarika Srivastava. So whatever guidelines we'll receive from the AICT, we'll forward all those guidelines to the translators and reviewers.
Okay. And for any query, is there any, we can post our queries in the WhatsApp group, right?
Yes, you can ask your query in the WhatsApp group, but we are also planning the orientation program in the physical mode. and for which today I have received the dates from AICT. It's most probably it's on 6th and 7th January. We'll finalize internally and then we will inform everyone that you have to attend this orientation program physically at GTU Chandkheda campus.
Okay. Ma'am, one question is there. Okay, what is our role? Matlab, reviewer or translator? How can I know?
All the details you will get in your email. And probably by today evening, I'll share these details with all of you for both UG and diploma.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
If you have any query related to your Udaan tool, so definitely you can ask with the experts right now.
Madam, I have one query. Please click on sync. In sync tab, there are two options. One is save to cloud and another is sync from cloud. So what is the difference between these two?
Okay, sir. Actually, once you correct a file and you click on save, to cloud, you can save the file in your cloud. And then again, if you already have files in your cloud and if you want to sync the file in your application, so you have to click on sync from cloud. So basically is first one is you save the change corrected file in your cloud, and second one is if you want to take files in your application from cloud. I hope it's not confusing, sir.
No, what I'm trying to say is that let's say on a first day I made some changes. So
Yes, sir.
I have saved it to cloud, first option. And next day when I open it, then next day when I open it, at that time I have to, use the second option, sync from cloud. So all those changes which I made into the cloud will come automatically. So is
No
it
sir,
that way? There is
नहीं
no.
सर, एक्चुअली सेव टू क्लाउड कैसे है कि जब आप कोई भी करेक्शन करते हो या चेंजेस करते हो, वो क्लाउड पे सेव होते हैं। और सेव फ्रॉम क्लाउड मतलब जो कोई भी रिव्यूअर हो आपका, अगर कोई बुक का रिव्यू करना चाहता है, वो क्लाउड से फ्रॉम क्लाउड वो सिंक्रोनाइज करेगा।
ओके, गॉट इट।
हाँ, तो वो रिव्यू कर पाएगा फिर। तो वो उसके लिए ऑप्शन है कि सिंक्रोनाइजेशन फ्रॉम क्लाउड, और करेक्टर के लिए है सेव टू क्लाउड।
ओके, हाँ, बस वही कंफ्यूजन था। ओके
ओके
Madam,
Madam, I have a local folder in my laptop, let us say, and I want to do the translation. So in Udaan tool, which is the menu, actually, I'm not getting anything like new project or something like. I'm getting menu like open project or import project. So how to open the particular folder which I want to translate actually? So that's I want to know.
सर उसके लिए आपको AICT आपको ट्रांसलेटेड फाइल दे देगी, वो आपको नहीं करना है।
नहीं, सपोज मुझे अभी कुछ प्रैक्टिकल्स करना है और मेरे पास कोई फाइल्स है और उसको मैं ट्रांसलेट करना चाहता हूँ ये टूल से, तो कैसे करेंगे?
नहीं होगा सर।
अभी नहीं
इस
होगा
टूल से नहीं सर होगा सर। हमारी जो वेबसाइट है udaan.org, वहाँ पे अगर
जो
आप जाओगे,
AICT फाइल देगी उसका ही होगा ना?
हाँ, कस्तूरी।
ठीक है।
यस।
हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाओ, प्रोजेक्ट उड़ान, वेबसाइट पे डालो प्रोजेक्ट उड़ान। आपके स्क्रीन शेयर करो।
यस, ओके।
मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ, करूँ मैं?
नहीं
या
सर,
ओके।
सर हम दिखाते हैं कि अगर आपका कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट है वो उड़ान की से कैसे आप ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं वो।
ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू।
कस्तूरी, सिर्फ आप स्क्रीन शेयर करो, मैं एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ।
ओके।
हाँ सर, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, ये हमारी प्रोजेक्ट उड़ान की वेबसाइट है। जो लाइव ट्रांसलेशन है, कस्तूरी, लाइव ट्रांसलेशन। हाँ, वहां पे देखो फाइल ट्रांसलेशन करके है, वहां पे क्लिक करो।
यस यस, ओके।
हाँ हाँ, तो सर वहां पे जाके आपको अपना एक अकाउंट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, और जो भी आपकी बुक होगी, so you have to create your account first, then you able to log in the access to the this our dashboard.
इसके लिए हमें ऑनलाइन टूल का यूज करना है, जो डाउनलोडेड टूल है उसका यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे, है ना?
नहीं नहीं, उसका नहीं सर,
मीटिंग
वो तो सिर्फ आपकी ट्रांसलेटेड जो भी आपको बुक रहेगी वो सिर्फ आपको एडिट करने के
उसके
लिए।
लिए
हाँ, ये हमारा ऑफलाइन टूल है।
अच्छा, ठीक है, ओके।
अगर किसी को और कुछ क्वेश्चंस हो गए रिगार्डिंग टूल इंस्टॉलेशन, तो वो
Madam, after downloading, we have to go again and again go for the same application QP add final.
यस सर, स्टार्ट फाइनल, यस।
Okay, ma'am. ठीक है।
तो सर वो आप टास्क बार पे पिन करके रख सकते हो, मतलब बार बार आपको फोल्डर ओपन करने की जरूरत नहीं है फिर।
ओके, तो उसको कॉपी करके बाहर रख देंगे तो ओपन हो जाएगा।
हाँ
ठीक
हाँ
है।
हाँ सर, बिल्कुल सर।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
Hello, ma'am. This is Mayur here.
यस सर।
Hello. Yeah, am I audible?
यस सर।
Ma'am. Okay. So when we are like doing translating and all this thing, so that there is a possibility that we might have some queries in between while translating, and so for that, is there any kind of support system there, or like a video explanation for that? Would it be available
ये सर
while we are
पहले
doing
तो
all this thing?
हाँ सर, इसके लिए पहले तो हमारा यूजर गाइड है, और इस वीकेंड तक आपको इसका वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल भी मिल जाएगा, जिसके पर हम काम कर रहे हैं।
Okay, great,
और
great, fine.
कुछ भी क्वेरीज आती है उसके लिए हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप भी है, जिस पे आप जो भी क्वेरीज है वो आप पोस्ट कर सकते हैं। हमारी टेक्निकल टीम है, वो आपको हेल्प करेगी।
Perfect, perfect. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर।
Madam, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
There is one question. There is one tab setting in which reset role is there. Right now, I have a login using verifier, and if I want to change my role, I try to tap the button reset role, but I couldn't getting any response in that.
Kasturi, can you show that screen, this share screen?
Okay. So here you go to setting, click on reset role.
I tried many times by having the same reset role, but it's not working.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I think there is a problem. There is a bug. I think we'll try to fix this one. The reset rule. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry, ma'am. I have some department meeting, so I connected this meeting near about 2:15 to 2:20. So I just don't have any idea about the login credential. Sorry to ask the question, but if any information regarding the login credential, can you have any comment on it, please?
सर उसके लिए हमारे पास यूजर गाइड हमने हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में प्रोवाइड की है, वो आप देख लेना। और साथ ही में हम इस मीटिंग जो भी हमारा अभी ये सेशन हुआ उसका रिकॉर्डिंग हम भेजेंगे ग्रुप पे।
Not an issue, ma'am. Not an issue. Will be taken
हाँ
care.
हाँ।
No issue. Thank you.
और if you
Thank
have
you.
any facing any question queries, so you can post on WhatsApp group. We will help you.
No issue. No issue. No issue, ma'am. Thank you so much. Will be done.
Okay, ma'am, I think you have explained everything regarding this tool. So, can we end this meeting now, or do we have any more questions from translators or reviewers?
I think initially it is more than enough, madam. And as we will continue, if there will be any problem, definitely through that WhatsApp group and all, we will just try to have help from that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks for the feedback. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you very much, ma'am,
Thank you.
for conducting this session. This would be very much helpful for our translators and reviewers. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, faculties. Have a good day.